Hey everybody, video. In today's video, we're going to go over the midweek market analysis, how the market has unfolded since the market opened on Monday, and what we should be anticipating for the rest of the week before we actually go on the weekend. Now, starting off, we have JPYX in front of us. Obviously, we anticipated this move from the beginning of the week. We anticipated it to reach here as the first target, which markets did. Unfortunately, the way it was moving, it didn't really give us an entry signal. As you can see, the momentum was weak. Here it was kind of a choppy market, it's still open with a gap, so we didn't really get an entry signal on that, but our directional bias was good. Excuse me. So now I'll be anticipating to see prices keep on pushing lower until they hit the second base right there. Should we get an entry, obviously we'll be utilizing that, but currently we still don't have an entry in it. Now we have DXY, obviously. So prices were in this sideways range, prices hit here, broke above this structure, gave us a retest, and we were anticipating to see a continuation, a push to the upside until prices reached up here perhaps. Let's go to the lower time frames and see what's up with that. Ooh, guys, we might be getting another entry signal in it. As we can see here, prices have currently come back to retest thigh highs, thigh lows. And we'll be anticipating to see prices continue pushing until there, right? And this 1 hour candlestick might act as our entry candlestick. The entry signal, obviously, we had a low, we had a high, higher low, so we should be anticipating to see prices create a higher high. Now, with the Fibonacci extension, first targets should be somewhere here, second targets should be somewhere here. So man, oh man, we're gonna make money off this. Which brings us to the point of the trade that we had this morning on Eurusd. We took a quick day trade. As I told you recently, we'll be taking quick day trades, closing at 2R and then moving on along with our day. Today we take this trade. I shared it with all my groups, even the free Telegram group that's linked in the description below. I shared this beautiful trade. Prices, we were risking about 17 pips, and you can see prices pushed all the way until over 37 pips. That's over 2R. And I was like, guys, prices are over 2R. I remember once prices reached 2R, I was like, you can start closing the trade. If you're satisfied, just close the trade. And last time I made a video about when we will be taking trades, I remember telling you guys that we should be closing our trades now at 2R. So that's what we did. Secured the bag at 2R, and then the trade after that just reversed, stopping the rested break even that did not secure the bag or closed half the trade out. So obviously we can see that closing the trade at 2R has much more benefits, as take profits are hit most of the times, and it just gives us a better risk to reward, as our win rate is over 60%, so we don't have any reason to worry that 2R is very small. As a matter of fact, we can close the trade even at 1R and still be profitable in the long run. So really, it doesn't really matter at 1R you close. As long as it's above 1R, then we're good. Now, as I said, so we'll be anticipating to see prices kind of push lower on Eurusd because DXY will be buying. But the confirmations here, I don't really like them because these candlesticks on the 1 hour don't really engulf these candlesticks, so I'm not really going to be taking this as a trade. GU, okay, with GU at least, you see, like, this is the morning star. So this is the morning star, so it's a beautiful pattern and I love it. So we can actually rely on this one rather than Eurusd. We can actually rely on this to act as our confirmation candlestick. Now the other US pair that we have is gold. Obviously we can see it has also formed a bearish railing. If prices close with this bearish momentum, it might form a bearish engulfing candlestick. which is also a beautiful candlestick that we may also be looking at, or we always use as our confirmation candlestick. So it has already become a bearish engulfing candlestick. So we understand like the US dollar is now dropping, and these are all good potential trades. Euro USD, not very much, but gold and GBP USD are better trades to take right now. Gold, I believe prices have a very high possibility of pushing all the way until down here. GBP USD, prices has a better possibility of pushing until somewhere down here. But obviously, as we understand, we're only taking 2R, and we're out. Eurojpy, obviously. So if we get back to JPYX, we see that prices are now pushing lower. So this gives us a bullish perspective on the other JPY pairs. We can see prices are just pushing lower insanely. I didn't really catch this move here. So had I seen this, we would have taken the trade. Now, USD JPY, obviously, bullish confirmation, no entry candlestick there. Euro JPY, this was beautiful right here. Obviously the trend is still bullish, but prices are in this resistance structure. It's on a daily perspective. So yeah, I really wouldn't take this trade because prices are in this resistance structure. You can see they're just here on this resistance structure. So I really wouldn't use this. Cadjpy, this is on the daily. On the 4-hour, what's up with that? On the 4-hour, we see prices had a bearish, crazy momentum. So it's not really safe to take the trade with that. But on the other side, on the flip side, we see prices were kind of ranging sideways here. So it's still, I really wouldn't take this trade unless prices broke above here to continue to be sure that the range is over, right? But other than that, trades that we can actually take at the moment are GU, GBP USD, and gold. These are high ticket trades. Gold will probably be my preference, but GU is also up there. Now, with that being said, guys, I appreciate your time. So obviously, Euro USD will keep falling. As we see, DXY has a bigger possibility of keep on buying. So JPYX falling, DXY buying. That's my analysis for the week. Obviously, I already told you guys about pair correlation, so you understand how this affects the rest of the pairs across the board. So with that being said, I appreciate your time. I appreciate you have watched so far. Please consider subscribing to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and share with a few friends that you believe will find value in this video, as I believe they will. Till next time, I appreciate you all. Be sure to join the Telegram group so that you won't miss out on free trades. Till next time, peace and love.